In this video, we present the top 50 private CBSE schools in India for the academic year 2025-26, published by CCLP Worldwide. This is an independent education research project developed using publicly verifiable evidence and a structured evaluation framework. The objective of this study is not promotion or endorsement, but evidence-based academic analysis of institutional quality within India's private CBSE school ecosystem. Before we begin, it is important to clearly explain what this ranking is and what it is not. This ranking is based strictly on public domain information. No surveys were conducted. No schools were asked to participate. No paid submissions, marketing claims, or third-party reviews were used. Government-run institutions such as Kendriya Vidyalayas, Navodaya Vidyalayas, Sainik schools, Army public schools, and other government schools are not included. All schools in this study were evaluated using the Good School Rating Framework developed by CCLP Worldwide. This framework assesses schools across 8 structured parameters, each with defined weightages to ensure balanced evaluation. These parameters include academic excellence, faculty quality, infrastructure, governance and compliance, innovation and co-curricular integration, international exposure, community engagement, and digital integration. The purpose of this framework is to move beyond single-factor judgments and instead assess schools holistically, as complex academic institutions. Rather than exaggerating marginal score differences, this study uses a tier-based classification system. Schools are grouped into gold, silver, and bronze tiers based on overall balance, consistency, and evidence strength across parameters. This approach avoids artificial ranking inflation and reflects institutional maturity more accurately than headline-driven lists. We now present the top 50 private CBSE schools in India for 2025-26. Inclusion in this list indicates that a school demonstrated documented strength across multiple evaluation parameters based on publicly available evidence at the time of research. The order reflects structured scoring outcomes and should not be interpreted as a measure of absolute superiority. Viewers are encouraged to treat this list as a research reference, not as an admission recommendation. Beyond individual listings, this research also reveals several national-level patterns within India's private CBSE ecosystem. high-performing private CBSE schools remain concentrated in urban and peri-urban regions, where governance, infrastructure and faculty availability are stronger. However, a noticeable rise in semi-urban institutions reflects the gradual geographic expansion of CBSE academic quality. Governance and statutory compliance emerge as critical stabilizing factors across high-scoring schools. Infrastructure, while important, does not automatically translate into academic excellence. Institutional leadership and academic systems matter more. Digital integration increasingly functions as a quiet equalizer, supporting consistency rather than visibility. This ranking is time-bound to the 2025-26 academic cycle. It does not predict future performance, guarantee admission outcomes, or replace independent due diligence by parents or educators. All observations are interpretative and based exclusively on verifiable public information. For full methodology, analytical chapters, and official publication details, please visit the CCLP Worldwide website. This research forms part of CCLP Worldwide's ongoing effort to promote transparent, evidence-based evaluation in Indian education. Thank you for watching.